Welcome to Korain. Shanghai Korain Biotech specializes in ELISA kits, antibodies and other reagents for life science research. Our reagents boast accuracy, enabling swift and precise detection of various biomarkers, cytokines, hormones, and more. Our stringent quality assurance protocols encompass every phase of product development, manufacturing, and distribution. We adhere strictly to international standards, employing state-of-the-art technologies and rigorous testing methodologies to ensure the high-quality reagents and biotech solutions. Each product undergoes meticulous scrutiny, from raw materials to the final packaged item, guaranteeing its reliability and consistency. Our R&D team, a dynamic collective of brilliant minds and seasoned experts committed to pioneering advancements in biotechnology. Also, we place paramount importance on efficient delivery and seamless shipment processes. We ensure our products reach our valued customers promptly and in pristine condition. Korain Biotech stands tall as a beacon of groundbreaking research and pioneering advancements. Explore the future of life science with us, where every discovery brings us closer to a healthier, more sustainable world.